In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the CVS Health blood pressure monitor. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to acquire more information about how to use your CVS Health blood pressure monitor if you pick up the instruction manual that will be included when you purchase it. You can also find it online by simply looking for Blood Pressure Monitor Professional Instruction Manual by CVS or pharmacy. All that you have to do after you reach this PDF file containing the manual is scroll down to step 5. Like I said previously, you will also be able to find this information in a physical manual that came with your product. Step 5 is the measurement procedure. You need to be aware about these things before you measure. Avoid eating and smoking as well as all forms of exertion directly before measurement. Remove any garments that fits closely to your upper arm. Always measure on the same arm, which is usually the left arm, and compare measurements at the same time of day because your blood pressure might change further down the line. There are some common sources of error that you also need to be aware of. They are quite extensive, so I recommend that you read these on your own time. And as you can see, they have detailed visuals teaching you how to actually place the cuff around your upper arm. It is a wide ring and soft for easier use. You will have to remove any bulky clothing from the area, and all you have to do afterwards is wrap the cuff around your upper left arm. The rubber tube should be on the inside of your arm, extending downwards towards your hand. You must make sure that the cuff lies approximately 1.5 inches to 3.5 inches or 1 to 2 centimeters above the elbow. After you ensure that all of this is correct, you will be able to secure the cuff and start the blood pressure analyzer. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the CVS Health blood pressure monitor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.